Hey guys, it's Tony with another addition to the Unusual Options Activity series. Today there was actually news that Jack Ma was actually seen again after a long time of him actually leaving. But it turns out there's actually my code actually picked up some January 22nd. $270 calls. There was a huge volume of upwards of almost $7 million. I think it was like $6.9 million of money volume on this $270 call expiring January 22nd. If there's such big volume, I don't know if I would buy the January 22nd ones. I'd probably go for January 29th, 270s, which are 523, a little bit more expensive, but there's huge volume. Today they're up 7x, which is insane, but there's huge volume on these $270 calls. I think my code actually picked up a couple of Baba calls expiring this week. Possibly I'm actually going to upload another video expiring for the ones expiring January 29th, and maybe some for February and March. But as of right now, I think the last one, my code picked up a $6.9 million volume on these $270 calls expiring January 22nd for this Friday.